the plumber.
Hello, is this the plumber?
Yes, hello. What's the problem?
In my kitchen, the faucet is leaking a lot.
Since when?
Since last night, it's getting worse.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am.
I can come today at 4 p.m.
Perfect, I'll be home.
I need your address, please.
25 Main Street, apartment 3B.
Is there an elevator in the building?
Yes, there is.
Good. That makes it easier.
How much is the visit?
The service call is $30.
I'll pay cash. Is that okay?
Yes, I also take cards.
Cash is preferred.
Please turn off the water valve for now.
Where is the valve?
Usually under the sink.
Oh, yes, I see it. I'll turn it off.
Perfect. Now, no more water.
Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome. The plumber's name is Jack.
Great, I'll wait for him.
Jack will call you before he comes.
I'll keep my phone nearby.
Okay, see you later.
Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome. See you soon.
The cleaning service.
Hello, please come in.
Hi, I'm from the cleaning service.
Nice to meet you. I'm Julian, the owner.
Nice to meet you, too. What do you want me to clean today?
A regular cleaning of the whole apartment.
Okay, how many rooms are there?
2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and 1 bathroom.
Do you want me to do the windows, too?
Yes, please. They are very dirty.
And the oven or the fridge?
The oven, yes. The fridge, no.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, a cat, but he's quiet.
No problem. The cleaning takes about 3 hours.
Sounds good. How much is it?
$50 for 3 hours.
I'll pay cash, okay?
Okay. Should I start with the kitchen and the bathroom?
Yes. They are the dirtiest.
Then I'll clean the bedrooms and living room.
Perfect. I'll stay here working if you need me.
Thank you. If I have a question, I'll ask you.
Very good. Thanks for calling me so fast.
You're welcome. We'll leave the apartment nice and clean.
The locksmith.
Hello, is this the locksmith?
Yes, hello. How can I help you?
I lost my keys and I can't get inside my apartment.
Oh, I see. Are you at your door now?
Yes, I'm standing in the hallway.
I can send a locksmith in about 30 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
I need your address, please.
8 Moon Street, 4th floor, apartment C.
Is there an elevator in the building?
Yes, there is.
Great. It costs $60 to open the door.
I'll pay cash.
Do you have something to prove you live there?
Yes, I have my ID and the lease on my phone.
Good. Please show them to the locksmith when he arrives.
I'll get them ready.
Is it a regular door or a security door?
A regular door.
Okay, that will be faster.
Will the locksmith call me before he comes?
Yes, he'll call when he's nearby.
Very good. Thanks for the info.
You're welcome. We're here to help.
What a relief. See you soon.
See you soon.
The moving service.
Hello, is this the moving service?
Yes, hello. I'm with the truck.
I'm Laura. I called yesterday.
Nice to meet you, Laura. What do we need to move?
One sofa, two beds, a table, and some boxes.
Okay, is everything ready?
Yes, it's all by the door.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, but it's small.
No problem. We'll use the stairs.
How much is the service?
$120 for everything.
I'll pay cash.
Very good. Do you have any fragile furniture?
Yes, the glass table.
We'll be careful.
Thanks. The new apartment is 15 Sunshine Street.
Perfect. I'll write it down.
Can I ride in the truck?
Yes, of course.
Great, then I arrive too.
Okay, let's load the sofa first.
All right, I can help a little.
Thanks. That will be faster.
Thanks a lot for everything.
You're welcome. Let's get started.
Roadside assistance.
Hello, is this roadside assistance?
Yes, hello. How can I help you?
My car won't start.
Where are you exactly?
20 Sunshine Street near the park.
What's the problem with the car?
I turned the key and nothing happened.
Is it a big car or a small one?
Small, red.
Okay, I'll bring the right tow truck.
How long until you get here?
About 30 minutes.
All right, I'll wait here.
I need your name.
Marie Lopez.
Thank you, Miss Lopez. Do you have your insurance card?
Yes, I have it with me.
Please show it to the driver when he arrives.
Yes, no problem.
Do we take the car to your usual garage?
Yes, please.
Are you alone right now?
Yes, I'm alone on the street.
Don't worry. Just leave the car where it is.
Yes, it's parked with the brake on.
Perfect. I'll be there soon.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. That's our job.
At the garage.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Come in. What can I do for you?
My car has a problem. It makes a strange noise.
What kind of noise?
Like a bang when I brake.
I see. Since when?
Since last night.
Can you leave me the keys, please?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. I'll check the brakes first.
Perfect. I'll wait here.
Is this your first time in this shop?
Yes, never before.
Welcome then. Is your car under warranty or insured?
Yes, it's insured.
Great. Then we check with no extra cost.
Super.
It will take about 20 minutes to check.
Okay, I'm not in a hurry.
If you want, there's coffee in the waiting room.
Yes, thanks. I'll stay close here.
Very good. I'll tell you soon what's wrong with your car.
Thanks for seeing me so fast.
You're welcome. That's our job.
I hope it's nothing serious.
We'll see. Don't worry.
The electrician.
Hello, is this the electrician?
Yes. Hello. What's the problem?
I have no lights at home since this morning.
Did you check the breaker box?
Yes, everything is off. I don't know what to do.
I understand. Are you at home now?
Yes, I'm at my apartment.
I can send an electrician today at 5 p.m.
Perfect. I'll be here.
I need your address, please.
12 Sunshine Street, 2nd floor, apartment A.
Is there an elevator in the building?
Yes, there is.
Good. He'll bring his tools up.
How much is the visit?
It's $40 for the check.
I'll pay cash, okay?
Okay. We also take cards.
Cash is preferred.
Try not to use any electric devices before we arrive.
I already unplugged them.
Perfect. The electrician's name is Lewis.
Will he call me before he comes?
Yes. He'll call when he's nearby.
Great. Then I can open the door.
Very good. Thanks for the info.
Thank you for answering so fast.
You're welcome. That's our job.
Phone repair.
Hello.
Hello, come in. Can I help you?
Yes, I have a problem with my phone.
What's wrong with it?
It won't turn on since this morning.
Did it fall or get wet?
No, it just shut off.
I see. What model is it?
An old Samsung.
Okay, show me.
Here it is.
Thank you. I'll check right away.
All right. I'll wait here.
The battery is bad.
Oh no, can you change it?
Yes, I have new batteries.
How much does it cost?
$30 with labor.
That's fine. How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
Perfect. I'll stay here.
Very good. Can I have your name and number?
Yes. Joseph Martin.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. I'll start now.
Okay.
If you want, there's a coffee shop next door.
No thanks. I'll wait here.
As you like, it should be ready in 20 minutes.
Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome. That's our job.
I'll come back if I have another problem.
Anytime, that's what we're here for.
taxi from the airport.
Hello, is this the taxi service?
Yes, hello. Where do you need the taxi from?
From the airport to my home.
All right. Which terminal are you at?
Terminal 2, arrivals area.
Perfect. What's your address?
15 Green Street, downtown.
Okay. How many people?
Just me, but I have 2 big suitcases.
I'll send a bigger car for your bags.
Perfect, thank you.
Will you pay cash or by card?
By card, please.
No problem. Do you have a number for the driver?
Yes, it's 555001235.
Got it. The taxi will be there in 10 minutes.
Very good. I'll wait at door B.
Perfect. The car is white, license plate 1234 ABC.
Great, I'll see it easily.
The driver will call you when he arrives.
Okay, thank you very much for the service.
You're welcome. Have a good trip home.
Thanks. See you soon.
See you soon.
Supermarket delivery.
Hello, is this Mr. Martin?
Yes, that's me. Are you bringing my order?
Yes, I have your groceries from the store.
Perfect. Please come in.
Here is 1 big box and 2 small bags.
Very good. Put them on the table.
Do you want to check the list together?
Yes, better to check everything.
Bread, milk, eggs, fruit, and meat.
Perfect. All good.
There is also a bottle of oil and some cookies.
Yes, I ordered them. Thank you.
Did you pay now or did you pay online?
I already paid online.
All right, I just need your signature.
Yes, give me the pen.
Here it is.
There, it's signed. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, Mr. Martin.
Do you always make the deliveries?
Sometimes me, sometimes my coworkers.
It's my first time using this service.
Welcome then.
I like it. It's very easy.
Glad to hear that.
Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. Good luck with your work.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and let me know in the comments what situation you'd like to hear next. See you soon.